For my final project, I decided to create a business strategy and design for an electronic medical records or EMR system. The audience of this presentation could be potential investors when seeking a round of financing for the startup. The problems with current EMR systems are they are disliked by hospital staff, have poor usability, and are difficult to learn. They are inefficient and interfere with face-to-face patient care. They do not work seamlessly with hospital equipment to share information, and they offer limited to no support during emergency situations. Here are two major EMR systems used in the US and what their patient chart screens look like. Epic is used in many major hospitals, and CPRS is used in VA hospitals. My proposed EMR solution, named Patiently, addresses user needs by providing an intuitive and easy-to-learn EMR system. Professionals in the medical field are able to be more efficient and precise when in a fast-paced hospital setting, and more focus can be placed on patient interactions. The system is able to work seamlessly with hospital equipment to share vital information and can offer support during emergency situations. For this project, I focused on two personas, the physician and the nurse. The physician's primary goals include viewing data, documentation, care management, ordering, messaging, analysis, and reporting. The nurse's primary goals include recording and reviewing patient information, categorizing records, and analyzing and assessing patient outcomes. I then designed a key task flow for a physician when they are doing a patient evaluation. Usually the patient has already been interviewed by a nurse or physician's assistant, but the physician will then review the chart, interact with the patient, enter orders, and compose notes. Here are the EMR screen designs following the physician key task flow. These are the initial home screens for the tablet and watch. When the physician enters the patient room, it automatically loads the patient information on both devices. The patient can then call an emergency alert from here if needed, or the patient chart can be viewed on tablet. Next, the physician decides to enter an order for medication for the patient, which they can do from the chart. Once they fill out the form for their order, they can submit it and they will get a notification on both tablet and watch. Then the physician may want to add a note to the patient chart. This gives them the option to enter a note through typing, handwriting using a stylus, or through dictation. The physician decides on dictation, which can be selected using the tablet or watch. Once they have finished the note, they can review and save it on either device. They will then get a notification the note is saved to the patient chart. This is a key task flow for a primary nurse when there is a patient emergency. When hospital equipment detects a patient going to cardiac arrest, it will automatically notify the patient team with a code blue alert. Depending on the size of the team, the role of the primary nurse could follow this path, which includes assessing the patient, reviewing the patient chart, and documenting activity and medications given. These are the screens following the nurse's key task flow. When the hospital equipment detects cardiac arrest, it will automatically send an alert to both tablet and watch. From here, the nurse can view the patient's current vitals so they can start assessing the patient using either device while en route to the patient. And I still need to design screens for the next two steps, but the nurse will then review priority information to give to the team leader, and then they will document all activity and medications given during the code. And that is the end, so thank you for watching.